This Innerwell Nonstick frying pan set offers a trio of useful pans. You get an 8-inch, a 9.5-inch, and an 11-inch skillet. This range of sizes is a complement to any kitchen. You can fry eggs in the small one. The medium size works well for omelets. The largest pan is great for bigger meals. These pans aim to be a solution for many cooking needs. The Innerwell Nonstick frying pan set boasts a gold granite nonstick surface. This coating helps food slide off easily. It means you can use less oil when you cook. Cleaning these pans is also very simple. Just a quick wash, and you are done. The pans are PFOA and PFAS free. This is a big plus for health-conscious cooks. The pans are safe to use. They offer a non-toxic cooking experience for your family. This Innerwell Nonstick frying pan set is designed for induction cooktops. However, you can use them on other stovetops too. They are versatile for different kitchen setups. The gold granite look adds a touch of style. These pans are not just useful tools. They can also look good in your kitchen. They are a practical addition for anyone who loves to cook. Consider this oferta for your daily cooking use. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick coating, easy to clean, PFOA and PFAS free, 3 sizes, induction ready, granite. Look for omelets, for eggs, for skillets, kitchen set, cooking pan set. Cons: no clear instructions, might not be very durable, non-stick coating life, uneven heating risk. Potential for warping, not for very high heat, hand wash recommended, coating might scratch. Lids might break, description misleading features. Non-stick surface, set of 3 pans, gold granite look, induction ready 8-inch skillet, 9.5-inch skillet, 11-inch skillet, omelet pan, egg frying pan, PFOA free. This Innerwell frying pan set has 3 non-stick pans in different sizes: 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch. They have a gold granite look and can be used on induction cooktops. These pans are great for cooking things like omelets and eggs, and they have a surface that stops food from sticking. Plus, they are made without PFOA and PFAS, which are types of chemicals. This Innerwell frying pan set includes 3 non-stick pans in 8, 9.5, and 11-inch sizes. Perfect for making omelets and eggs or for general skillet cooking. The pans have a gold granite look and are induction ready. Plus, they are made without PFOA and PFAS for a healthier cooking experience. They are also designed to be easy to clean. However, some users might find they are not very durable, and the non-stick coating's lifespan is uncertain. There's a chance of uneven heating or the pans warping over time. And they are not recommended for very high heat. Hand washing is suggested, as the coating might scratch, and there's a possibility lids could break. Some customers have also noted that the product description might be misleading.